How to soak and remove a splinter safely.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an essential first aid topic. How long should you soak the affected area before attempting to remove a splinter? Splinters can be both irritating and painful, but with the right approach, you can remove them without much hassle.
Why soak before removing a splinter?
Soaking the skin before attempting to remove a splinter can be very beneficial. The moisture helps to soften the skin and can make the extraction process much easier and less painful. Additionally, a warm soak can help to draw the splinter closer to the skin's surface, making it easier to remove.
How long should I soak the affected area?
The recommended time to soak the affected area in warm water is about 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a bit of Epsom salt to the water to help draw out the splinter. It's important to note that the time can vary depending on the size and location of the splinter. If the splinter is deep, a longer soaking time might be needed.
How do I remove a splinter after soaking?
After you've soaked the affected area, gently pat it dry. Use a pair of tweezers that have been sterilized in alcohol to gently grip the splinter and pull it out in the same direction it entered the skin. If the splinter is still beneath the skin surface, you may need to use a sterilized needle to expose more of the splinter before using tweezers.
What should I do after removing a splinter?
Once the splinter is removed, clean the area with warm water and mild soap. Then, apply an over-the-counter antibiotic ointment and a bandage to prevent infection. If the area becomes red, swollen, or starts to pus, it's time to see a healthcare provider, as these are signs of infection. There you have it. Now you know that you should soak the affected area for about 10 to 15 minutes before attempting to remove a splinter. Remember, it's important to act with care and cleanliness to prevent infection. I hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.